All right. Welcome back to the channel. So I was going through the Facebook forums and I've been seeing a lot of people posting about when to do an oil change. And it's really crazy because people are seem like they're getting into arguments about this. So I just wanted to clear it up for you guys. At least a rule of thumb. This is from the CanAm official website. This is from the owner's zone. So if you even Google it, it will take you here and you just hit the CanAm webpage and it'll take you to the owner's zone. 200 miles is your break-in period. After 200 miles, you can go ahead and do your first oil change. Then it's recommended that you do an oil change after every 6,000 miles. So that is the general rule of thumb. I've got this up here so you guys can actually read through it if you decide not to actually search it for yourself. But it is all right here on the CanAm official website. So I really hope that this clears some things up for you guys because this is a really crazy situation. Now, of course, when I bought my CanAm, the dealer, and this, I'm guessing this is where the confusion is. When I bought my CanAm, the dealer told me after 1,000 miles. So after 1,000 miles, then I went ahead and I did an oil change. I actually did mine at 3,000 miles, but I'm thinking that's where the confusion is that people are getting the different information. But as you guys just saw, your break-in period is 200 miles, and then it's an oil change every 6,000 miles after that. So I hope this helps. I hope that clears up the confusion. And thank y'all for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Ryker fam, you know what to do. Tap in.